Hello everyone, this is Survey Payout. Welcome to my channel if you are visiting my channel for the first time, and if you are a returning subscriber to my channel, I'm grateful and I appreciate you coming back to watch videos on this channel. If you've been frustrated not knowing how to get paper in countries where paper is not supported, countries like Nigeria, Kenya, South Africa, Ghana, and some other countries where paper is not supported, this video is for you. And this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process how to get your working UK paper account. For those who are doing surveys or those who are working as freelancers, working internationally, these paper accounts can receive money and also transfer money. So you can receive money into your local bank account. Now, a few things you need for you to get into this method of creating a paper account. You will need a good VPN, the paid VPN like Mysterium VPN. You also need a proxy. If you do not have a Mysterium VPN, you can as well use a good proxy, not a free proxy. Okay, so if this is your first time visiting my channel, do well to check in the description of this YouTube channel. You will find a link to my WhatsApp community where I bring in updates on how to make money online through surveys and other means of making money online. So feel free, watch this video to the end for you to be able to see the tips and watch the step-by-step method of getting a UK working paper account. So now here is the dashboard. As you can see, at this point it's showing paper.com/UK/home. This is because I'm connected to UK proxy. So what you need to do now is, when you are in this paper dashboard, what you have to do is leave it on the personal and click on sign up. So when you click on sign up, it's going to confirm if you really want to get this paper as a personal paper or a business paper. So at this point, you just have to come down and click on the get started button. Okay, so when you click on the get started button, it will take you to an interface where you will have to put in your working email account. So if you have a UK email account, you can as well use that one. But if you do not have a UK working email address, do well to create a fresh email address. Do not use an email or a phone number that has been used already for creating paper account. For making another paper account, that will not work. So I'm going to click on get started. So we are going to observe this while it will take me to the next page where I'm going to input my email address. Okay, so this place I mistakenly clicked on the next. So this place I'm just going to put in the email address and then click on sign up to continue. So I have the email already. I'm just going to put it here. Okay, so carefully watch the process. So I need to take this security challenge, which is sometimes called security prompt. Okay, I need to um, take this challenge and then proceed. I think after this challenge I'll be asked to put in the phone number. So let's carefully wait for this patiently. So what you need to know is that while creating a paper account, you don't need to rush the process. You just need to take it one step at a time. One step at a time. So let's just hold on for this to verify. Well, it will take me to a page. I'm going to put in my phone number and then proceed from that end. Alright, so here on this page I'm just going to input the phone number, the UK phone number here, and then wait for a verification code. So here's the UK phone number 56281. Okay, so you need to check the number fine before you can click on next. Right, so let me click on next here and then request for a code. So a confirmation code has been sent to the phone number. I'm just going to pause this video and then go get the number. Okay, so here I'll write down the phone number from paper. This is 6323. Okay, so from here I'm going back to my paper account. I'm going to write this as 616323. So now let's wait for this to load and then we'll continue on the next stage. and creating our paper account. Okay, so let me verify this security prompt. I'm a human. So carefully watch this video to the end, so you don't miss out any steps. So now I've passed the verification prompts, that security prompts. I'm going to put in the password. I'll pause this video and then put in the password, then we'll continue. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to click on next. Okay, so this place, remember that your first name and your last name and your date of birth should be the same. First name, last name, and date of birth on your foreign bank account. Like maybe if you're using a gray or a leather back, it should be the same information. So the first name here, I'll write the first name and then the last name. Okay, then the date of birth. Okay, so and I'll click on next. Now I'm going to put in a random postal code. So if you don't have a postal code, you can go and browse, just minimize and go to your browser and then write search for best random addresses, and with that you get a good address for this paper. I'm not sure this address may go. Okay, yeah, I have this address already, so I'm just going to continue, and at this point I'll check in you agree to paper user agreement, and then all that, agree and create account. So if you've been following the steps without skipping the video, you understand that these processes, they are very easy, and then you will not miss any of the steps. So let's wait for this to give us a prompt what we should do. Now, what do you want to try? And well, not now, I don't want to try anything now. Let's continue. So yeah, in the next video I'm showing you how to link your bank account. So I could have linked a bank instead. Okay, so I'm just going to click on not now, so we can continue. So here it's going to take me to a different dashboard. I think it's going to take me directly to the paper dashboard itself. So yeah, I'm still going to click on Chrome because I've been using Chrome for this purpose. there are other good browsers that you can use for this, for creating of your PayPal account. Okay, now so I'm going to use Messi Edenaro as a username for my PayPal account. Then click on continue. Okay, so a code has been sent to the email address. I'm just going to copy the code and then put the code here to verify the PayPal so that I'll be able to receive and send money. Okay, so here's the verification code from the email address, which is 364600. So let's just quickly go back there. So input 364600 600. It's going to verify now. These people will be able to receive money and also do a transfer international. So here the PayPal account has been created. You can see you can send money, pay someone by buying something. Now 1/5 need to set up your account to pay, to get paid, to shop online. This is a PayPal account that has been created. You can transfer money and also receive money. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next update. Okay, and remember, you can check on my playlist and see different survey sites where you can earn money by sharing your opinion. Okay, so this is the end of this video, and thank you guys for watching. Do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video.